Natural herbs for natural detox. Detoxification is currently becoming one of the most popular solutions for keeping your body healthy and strong. Many people are embracing the idea, and it's nice to know the detox works miraculously for many. Today, following the introduction of detoxification, several natural detox solutions are considered by people. A number of detoxifying products that are deemed natural are also marketed throughout the world, and whether you believe it or not, the natural detox industry is continually growing, with more and more people considering what the industry has contributed to the market. The concept of detoxification is by nature natural. It involves proper diet, water consumption, and the use of certain herbs to release and eliminate toxic wastes in the body. It also involves certain acts of fasting, which for experts is an important part of every detoxifying process. Well, of these effective ways, taking herbs is one vital move to take. The herbs are believed to be the safest and most natural way of detoxifying the body. Several researches have revealed that unlike the synthetic remedies or substances, the herbs pose no harmful effects. They also work best in detoxifying the body in a natural way for the fact that they contain chemicals that trigger the bodily system to function as they should be. The natural detox herbs come in a number of names. For instance, the name dandelion is commonly used and applied. It is considered as best for the whole system, especially the ones responsible for immunization. It is also considered as an effective natural detox solution, as it is capable of increasing and moving the bile along. It even helps to strengthen the immune system as it boosts white blood cells. Dandelion is not just the natural detox solution. Fact is, there are still many that manifest in form of herbs. One particular and common solution is the garlic. As you may know, this is a classic kitchen remedy, but much to your surprise, the garlic can help increase the movement of your bowel, thus making it work properly. Aside from that, the garlic is said to be potent for detoxifying your gut, and it works as a form of laxative, helping your bowel to move as regular as possible. There is also the licorice root, which for long years has been considered as a great antioxidant. It works primarily to fight bacteria and viruses in the body, then making it potent for eliminating bodily wastes. With this function, it's no wonder that licorice root is considered by some medical experts as a producer of antibodies. These antibodies produced by the licorice root are what basically help the systems to eliminate toxins. The other natural detox herbs that are proven to work wonders include the golden seal, black walnut hulls, psyllium, and cascara sagrada.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.